Here's another teacher tip for you today. Classroom timers that are completely free and that don't require a username or a password. I'm going to show you a number of different options, and I hope that you can select the one that you'd like and be sure to bookmark it. The timers can be shared on Google Meet or on Zoom, and the first option that I'm going to share with you is from Google. There are two options. There's a timer along with a stopwatch. So the timer, let's say I want to do 1 minute. I select start, and I could make the screen nice and big for the kids to see. Another option is the stopwatch. Same thing, the stopwatch counts on, and I'm going to make it nice and big. Okay. Another option that I'm going to share with you is from onlinestopwatch.com. So this is a completely free website. They do offer a paid version, but I'm only going to show you the basic functions that it has. So the first one's a stopwatch, same as a Google timer. You just select start and it's going to count forward, and then select back, and then I select countdown. I'm going to select the time that I want, and then select set, select start, and it's going to start counting down. So like I said, completely free to use. Another option is going on YouTube and selecting the time that you want. So I typed in timer for 10 minutes, and then there's a number of different videos to choose from. Or I can say timer for 5 minutes, and there are a number of different options to choose from. And the final option is going on toytheater.com/classroom timer, completely free. There are a number of different fun shapes to choose from. Okay, so I'm going to choose the orange square. I'm going to type the time that I want, so 1 minute and 30 seconds. Select set and select start. So yeah, I hope you found this video to be useful. I hope you use these tools.